How did we come to this? How did we go from here to here? In the blink of an eye on the cosmic scale, we human beings left Mother Nature, with whom we had lived for millions of years, to live in a world of squares. We traded the circular celestial space for the earthly right angle. The first monumental constructions of mankind mark this passage. Megaliths, gigantic blocks of upright stone cutting through the horizon. Isolated in alignments, arranged in circles or squares, they appear in their thousands all over the world, almost indestructible witnesses of a forgotten era. No story, no history remains of this fundamental transition. Only the stones have come through this collective amnesia. But today, thanks to satellites, GPS, laser beams, computers, and the work of a few independent researchers, they are starting to tell their story. What they say is so extraordinary, so incredible, that we are going to have a hard time accepting it. These remnants from the dawn of time are going to transform the vision that we have of ourselves, of who we are. Are you prepared?